Man, I seen the worst I seen out in Amsterdam.
Huh? You got it now? What's your name, man? Who are you?
Amsterdam?
That's a bull.
If you get caught in Amsterdam.
TMI, man. Yes, sir. Alright, bro. Appreciate it.
You gotta be up, brother. You wanna shoot the bitches, but shoot my head. Oh, you don't see the lights?
Stop.
Yeah, the light on?
No.
Shit is fine. I want to jump. Oh! You be up. Like that?
Yeah, there you go.
I see you.
I'm gonna call TMI out here. Love the Sosua. Yeah, with all number of people.
Yeah.
Doing it. We out here getting ready. Now listen, get ready for the Super Bowl, baby. Get ready for the Super Bowl. Sosua out here. Pizza out here. And the
walking up. Take a look.
direction of it, yeah, he's still going. He's still going?
Created a monster.
Watch this video, dude. I'm gonna get your shot now. Like I said, hey, remember the ball?
Hey, one joint, I just got like 3 joints walked up, right? And she looking right here, she's shaking her head no. She looked back at the camera, she's like, oh yeah, this might be enough right here.
I got all these people at the store, man.
Anytime I see any of our phones up. Oh, they red?
That's when niggas like that girl.
Get it. Anytime I see any of our phone up. Look at your man, look. I tell you what, I was on Soy 6, grabbed one of those kids out the street. I had one of them little niggas, you know, homeless children out there are like straight dogs. Like, really? They're everywhere. And we out here, you know, begging and shit, with no supervision. I'm in Beach Road trying to flag down one of them tuk-tuks. I said, yo, later. These 2 little motherfuckers followed me in the road. Yo, as a human being, I'm sitting there looking around like, back to whoever, you know what I mean? Welcome back to wherever their parents or whoever they come from. I was like, yo, man, follow me. Grab both their hand and walk them